quite the adventure, but it's most enjoyable. I've been whistling and interacting with a couple of birds that are around, little weebills and the magpies, but it's lovely driving through here, very peaceful. Well, I'm not quite at the top, but I think I'm probably at the piece that we see from down in the camp. You can see the bush is pretty thick. It's very rocky underfoot. So where I'm going to camp, I'm not sure. Where I'm standing actually isn't good, but it's not bad. I don't know whether it's worth another 50, 100 meters to get over to the knob. I'll see how I go. John, I'm down in the saddle now, so almost to the top. There's not many places to put the tent that's going to be smooth underneath my bed. Actually, just here is not too bad if I cleared a couple of rocks. So I might come back here to the saddle. But I've got about 40, 50 meters to go. So I'll push on up here. Climb to get up here, but the sunset's certainly worth it. I'm enjoying some noodles. I'll have some wine shortly, and I'll probably have a good night's sleep, and the sunrise out there will be spectacular. This is Butlers Knob. night up on Butlers Knob. Time now to make the descent. Probably an hour and a half, 2 hours to get down. It's been good. Saw the sunrise. Well, that's the escarpment here. This is the first escarpment on the way up that I had to negotiate. Now coming down, I've got to pick my path carefully. I wouldn't want to tumble down there. It would hurt. I'm going the right way though, because across over there in the distance, there's the dam. So I'm going the right way. Troopy should be down here below me somewhere, I hope. There's an animal path here in front of me now, so they know the best way to get up and down. You can see it going along that way, so I'm just going to follow that in that direction for a while. Well, there you go. I can see the troopy directly down there below me, so I've obviously come the right way, but I've got this path here to negotiate now. Whilst it's not quite as steep and rocky, it would still hurt if I took a tumble, so I've always got to take care. It's good to be able to hang on to some of the little trees. They give me some sort of a stability, and this one here, I think I actually remember this one. But it's been good so far without serious incident. Well, there's the troopy, 30 metres in front, so I've done well. It's been a struggle for an old fart like me, and coming down, whilst it's been easier on the ticker, it's been harder on the feet coming down, and you wouldn't want to know how many times you knock a rock with your foot only to tread on the loose rock and obviously lose your footing. But I'm back safe and sound, so that's good. I've enjoyed this. Oh, what a feeling, Toyota. Well, I'm almost set up here now on Christmas Hill Creek, and I'm just cooking my lunch. I reckon a bit of crumb steak will be lovely for lunch. I think I've even got some astronaut freeze-dried ice cream for dessert. Well, still having my lunch. I just had a visit from a couple of razorback pigs, a couple of ferals, a female and a boar. They came quite close there just behind me, but as soon as I moved they took off up the back. But I'm still eating my sandwich and they're not getting it. Nothing like a steak sandwich.
The serenity of morning. Had a good night's sleep. Just had my Weet-Bix. Gonna have a cup of coffee and some toast. It's a little overcast this morning, but I think it'll be just morning cloud. It'll fine up eventually, but I had a good night.